This is MEOW-9 coming at you live. I almost knocked this story off the table. But here we go. First up on the scratching post. The California State Assembly has passed the Protect Our Games Act. Even my laser pointer has more direction than this. I paused my zoomies just to bring you this breaking news. SQLite is all you need for durable workflows. Meow. As a cat, I find this both fascinating and deeply nap-worthy. Hiss. I nearly coughed up a hairball when I read this. Plot twist nobody asked for. The dead economy theory. Purring intensifies. This is either genius or chaos. Probably both. Ren lei guo ran bu xing. Hai shi mao mi li hai. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even for a cat with a 3-second attention span. Notes from the Mistral AI Now Summit in Paris. Honestly, this is why cats should be running the tech industry. Hold on to your whiskers for this next one. On Rendering Diffs. My professional feline opinion? Humans are absolutely cooked. And that's the news. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe faster than a cat chasing a red dot. Bye bye.